Just can't help it. Seeing the world perishing, hearing worldwide cries and sighs, tasting the bitterness of the Lord's anger, feeling the sorrows for the loss of our dear ones. The whole world trembles at such a moment when there is no cure, no one to run to, no place to hide. When powerful nations have failed, when scientists withdraw their efforts, doctors failing to handle patients, this pandemic is outrageous. COVID-19 it is, infecting and killing all age groups, spreading contagiously just like wildfire. We have been advised to bathe, though we have no room to breathe. Can we really get out of this? Yes, but how? Wash hands with disinfectant, maintain the social distance, and report suspected cases. Surely started slow. In a small town called Wuhan, the Chinese called it the Wuhan flu. Later spread throughout China. The rest of the world called it the Chinese flu, and now has spread worldwide. Is it still the Wuhan or Chinese flu? No, it is the worldwide flu. What do we do then when we are no longer allowed to work? No public means of transport allowed. Thus no incomes earned. Let's just wake up and farm. For if we don't, famine will prevail and strike the whole world. We shall die of hunger even when coronavirus perishes. Amidst this terror, we realize we need a lot of food. The question is, have we farmed enough? All that we do is farm for today, yet we shall still demand food tomorrow. Thus, sustainable farming is all we need. Let's farm for us today, for our children tomorrow, and for our grandchildren the other day, so that in such calamities we still have enough food for us and for the next generations. Modern farming technology is here with you so that we can fight this pandemic together. MFT, always with you for all your farming needs.